wonderful time.
Happy Vlogmas Day 6. Welcome back, everybody. It has been quite the day, quite the Monday already. I'm honestly pretty happy that it's just you and I again. I love vlogging with friends and with Mark, but it's just so much easier when it's just the two of us, Anytime I say that, I like need to bust out into song. But we just get so much more done when it's just you and I. So we are getting a lot of things done today. I did have a little bit of a delay this morning. It's around noon right now, but this morning I went on a nice 2-mile walk. I also edited yesterday's Vlogmas. And I spent 2 hours on the phone with tech support because my Vlogmas was not exporting, but it is up. Feel free to go check it out if you haven't already. All the Vlogmases have been super fun, but yesterday's was about 7 minutes just because I wanted to do something short on Sunday and spend the rest of the day with Mark. But I'm feeling very in the holiday spirit. My Christmas tree is up, the vibes are good. I'm going to hop in the shower, I'm going to get dressed, and then we are going to head over to my apartment. I got a package in, so of course we're gonna do an unboxing. One of the things in this package is a gift for my brother, so I can't show you that, but I will show you what I got for myself. So this is a cocktail book. It is absolutely gorgeous. That's the main reason why I got it. But it's called Gather Around Cocktails. This is from Urban Outfitters by Erin Goldfarb. And I just love the illustration on the cover. There's a Vouv bottle. It has a bunch of fun, festive cocktail ideas inside. And I thought it would be a perfect addition to my bar cart that is coming so soon. It's coming when my parents bring up all of my furniture. I've never had a bar cart before, but I was thinking of putting it on this wall over here. It's small, but she's cute. Guys, my mom just called me and she said that Mia's doing doggy daycare a couple days a week to get her puppy energy out. But she told me that the doggy daycare place has live cameras all over the complex, and so I've just been switching live cameras to whichever play yard she's in. I miss her so much. She's so cute, and she's so scared of the other dogs. Today's her first day, so she's running around with her tail in between her legs, but she is so sweet. I feel like that's probably been the hardest thing about not being in Sarasota anymore. Obviously, I miss my parents. I love them very much, but I was with Mia all day long, and she's such a cute little baby, so I do miss her, but it seems like she's having fun. Okay, now let's talk Christmas decorations. I'm thinking of going to both Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. Hopefully they have stuff in stock, because when I went to Target yesterday, the pickings were slim, and they said that they're not getting anything else for the season. So I hope Home Goods and Hobby Lobby have a good inventory, because I'm still needing to get everything. So I'm thinking for this tree of doing something neutral, maybe with golds, whites, matte whites, pearls, nutcrackers. I also love the idea of dried oranges. We've never decorated with dried oranges before. My family just didn't do it growing up, but I'm seeing it everywhere now, and I think it's so cute and adds like a fun pop of color, and I love orange. Such a great color. So thinking of that direction, but I am very open-minded and will change my mind in a second if I see something that's cuter. So I do know that about myself, so don't expect me to go in this direction, because it very well may change. Alrighty, I think I am going to change and then head to Hobby Lobby. All right, I have changed and I'm ready to go. I'm wearing a striped green and white Zara top and my Urban Outfitters cargo pants with my Nike Air Force Ones. All right, there was absolutely nothing in Home Goods, but there was a Michaels right next door to Home Goods, so I thought I would check. And honestly, the Michaels was pretty bare too, but I found some really cute wrapping paper. I love Nutcracker themed fun things, and I feel like for the past few years I've been doing very neutral wrapping paper, so I thought this year I would go with fun, bright colors, and this was the last roll. Not much luck. I'm actually getting pretty discouraged because Hobby Lobby usually has so many things, and there was really nothing. There were packs of ornaments, but they were all broken. So I'm planning on going to another Hobby Lobby to see what they have. I did get a few things, so let me show you. I'm still unsure about these things. I may return them. So I got these little snowflakes. So if I end up deciding to go for a boho vibe, I got this. But they were the last things left. But we're going to head to the next Hobby Lobby because your girl needs ornaments. I have a busy evening because I'm watching The Bachelorette with my friends at my friend Maddie's apartment, and so I need to get some treats together for that because we're doing like a holiday themed batch watch party night. So got lots to do. We're on to the next Hobby Lobby. Ladies and gents, I have a smile on my face, but I am feeling extremely discouraged. I went to that second Hobby Lobby. The lady said, we have been out of ornaments for 4 weeks. 4 weeks. So I asked her, I said, is there anywhere else you think I could get some ornaments? And she said, probably the only place that has ornaments left is Walmart. So I went to Walmart, and you know what? We're in desperate times, so I think I'm going to do some DIY ornaments. I'm a DIY girly, so we're gonna get this done. Maybe with the help of TikTok, because I know there's someone on TikTok that can help me with this. I got almost everything from Walmart, so grateful that Walmart has all of the things and at a good price. So last year I made paper bag snowflakes, and I'm going to make them again this year. And I also saw that they sold white paper bags, so I thought I could do brown and white just to add a little pizzazz, something different, you know? So I'm probably going to do these tomorrow. I also saw these textured ornaments with wood on top. I thought they were really cute. I'm not loving this color. I'm more into gold, so I think I'm just gonna paint over them. I just really like the texture of them. I think the texture will look good, so I got a few fun ones of those. And then really the main thing that I'm planning on doing, I got a bunch of these clear ornaments, and this is 8 glass ornaments. I think I got 4 boxes of these, and I'm going to just put paint on the inside. So I bought the paint colors that I want. I think that I'm just going to create my own colored ornaments. So let me show you the paint that I got. I'm really hoping this works. I got white. This is Apple Barrel Snow White. I got antique gold. This is a metallic color. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this, but I thought that I could brush this metallic gold onto these white and silver ornaments to cover up that silver. I also got light mocha. This is a really pretty neutral color. You'll see it tomorrow. I hope it looks good. I hope this turns out well. But I'm planning on doing all of the DIY things tomorrow, and then possibly getting my nails painted Wednesday so that I don't mess them up doing DIY things. I almost forgot about the best ornaments I got. Obviously this color is not my vibe for this year, but there are 26 ornaments in here, and there are a bunch of different textures. So I was thinking, wishful thinking, that I could just paint over these ornaments with the colors that I got. Wish me luck. Okay, I just watched a TikTok video. I am feeling inspired. I feel like this is easier than it sounds. I have to be at my friend's place in about an hour, but I'm gonna start on a few tonight just because you have to let them sit overnight. So I'm just gonna do a couple of test runs. Say a prayer. Okay. So I got these glass balls. I would have gotten plastic, but that was just not an option. So you're going to open them up. Then you're going to take your preferred paint color. I'm starting off by using the light mocha. I really hope this works, and I hope I don't make a mess. So you're supposed to pour about a tablespoon into the ornament, and then you just move it around. Gosh, I feel like this is gonna go everywhere. I have a cardboard piece of one of my boxes underneath here though, so you just keep shifting it around. There's like a rainbow tint on this ornament. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure why. I hope that goes away. Okay, we're making progress. Oh, color though. I'm happy I chose this color. This is a fun idea though. If you have like old glass ornaments or plastic ornament bubbles you want to use, this is an easy and affordable way to switch them up when everything is out of stock this season. Okay, I'm not thrilled with the rainbow mark. It's barely noticeable, but it's around the center of this, but I just want to let you know I am so impressed by the color and how easy this was to put together. So now I just let it sit overnight. So I got this 8 container, and the ones with 8 have the rainbow mark, but the ones with 14 don't. So I'm going to try and do these 14 and see how they come out. I'm gonna pop on a cheesy Christmas movie, get in the spirits, and make these ornaments.
Are you done with it?
Nope. Girls, we're gonna make an anonymous basket.
I'm so happy with how these came out so far. I love the colors I picked. So this is the antique gold. This is the light mocha, I think is what it's called. Yeah, light mocha. And this is the snow white. I'm loving these. They're gonna look so good on the tree. Please don't mind the mess in here. This is this is my art station right now. And then this movie, Girlfriends of Christmas Past, it is definitely cheesy, but it's cute. A couple things before I wrap up today's DIY. You need more paint than expected, so I'm probably going to run to Walmart again tomorrow to get more paint. Also recommend getting plastic instead of glass because you do have to shake it around a lot, and I feel like I came close to like almost throwing a couple of them and just like hitting them too hard on the cardboard to shake up the paint inside. So definitely take that into account. Make sure they're this clear bubble bulb. You can get them at Walmart for $2.98. And hopefully we'll be able to decorate the Christmas tree tomorrow. Let's see how long these take to dry. I'm gonna check them in the morning and we shall see. To be continued. I am planning on bringing cookies and wine to batch night because who doesn't love that? But I have to go back to Mark's apartment to make the cookies. So I'm wrapping up all the stuff here. I'm very hopeful about the Christmas decorations, and also just now realizing how good this soap smells. It's the Method, I forget the name of it, but it's a holiday scent. It smells like a sugar cookie. I took the label off because I wanted it to be aesthetically pleasing in my kitchen, but it smells so good. My friend that's hosting tonight texted us saying, if you have Christmas jammies, wear them, and 5 seconds later, I was in these because I've been dying to wear them since I wore them first last year. They're from Old Navy and they're just very cozy. The leggings are just matching leggings. So wearing my Christmas jammies in a good mood because I figured out my Christmas decorations, and also making the most iconic Christmas cookies. You can never go wrong with the Christmas tree and Santa cookies from Pillsbury, so that's exactly what I'm making. I need to let you know that I finished the Christmas series Happy, Merry, whatever on Netflix, and it was very cute. It was very cute, and I feel like it wasn't super cheesy. It had a lot of good people in it, like Ashley Tisdale, Bridget Mendler. Love seeing some Disney faces on the Netflix screen, and I definitely recommend it. How cutie! They're ready to go in